Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about the Wonders of Nature silver pendant set. So the Wonders of Nature set was made quite a few years ago actually now. So it was made around 2010, 2012. It was made for quite a few years and the mintage I would say is in the thousands at the very least. I'm not sure exactly. Here we have two different examples of the same bar. So on the left is one with quite a bit of tarnish on it. It actually has now like a golden color to it. This is actually the same bar, but the assay cards are different. So I wanted to show you that. And it also shows you that this pendant was made over the years. So it wasn't just a single batch that was available and it sold out. No, this as many PAMP bars were made over and over the years so that people could buy them at different times, but the mintage wasn't all at once. So on the left here, we see the serial number on the bottom, yes, toward the bottom of the assay card. It starts with 0. There's no letter prefix, and the assay signature starts with a G. It looks like a G. And on the right, it has a B prefix, and it's only serial number 192. And it looks like a D manual is the assay signature. So you can see the D manual one started around 2012, and the one starting with the signature with the G was before then. So this was made during the transition time between the two assayers at PAMP. And I have examples of several of these pendants with both versions of the signature. So the first design for the Wonders of Nature is the maple leaf. The leaf itself has lots of frosting and fine details, and in the background, it's a lot of mirror finish, so it's a nice contrast between the two. Now, this style of pendant is much different. You see there's just a hole in the top left-hand corner of this bar. It's really a bar with a hole in it, but it's being called a pendant. So this came in a box with string, so you could actually use the string like a silk string to use the pendant and wear it. So the Wonders of Nature series all have different designs related to nature. Here we have one of my personal favorites, birch tree. Birch trees have a very distinctive type of bark. You can see smaller birch trees on the left and a larger one on the right. And I have a tarnished version and one that's not. I'm not sure how that tarnishing happened, but it certainly looks almost gold in certain lights. It has lots of fine details. It's a nice design. See here, the design was made under two different assay cards. So I have ones to show you here, but the bars are the same. And this design is called River Stones. Again, my older version has a tarnish on it. Stones have lots of fine detail of speckles, like of the stone itself. There's like the texture of the stone. It's a really unique and cool design. It's simple, and there's a little bit of mirror finish for the top. You can see in the background. Give it a little bit of contrast. Once again, I have two different versions of this bar. Basically, the assay cards are different. And finally, the snowflake design. I only have one example of this. That's the newer version, the newer assay card. Snowflake itself has lots of awesome small details, little crystals coming off the snowflakes. And here's the reverse. Now, reverse itself, some comments on it. It says PAMP on the top. It has the PAMP logo, the weight, and a little cross of Switzerland. And the basic details, fine silver, 999, Swiss made. This is a different type of reverse, only used or starting to be used with the pendants such as this one. There were a number of pendant sets that came out around the same time, and this is one of them. So there's only 4 designs in this one, all relating to nature. Thanks for joining me today to discuss this series. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Thank you and take care.